Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Ramrana and you are watching Simply Code. In today's session, we are going to discuss the like operator in SQL statements, right? So this is the operator which is logical operator that test whether a string contain a specific pattern or not, right? Like like you can see on your screen. So it will check the patterns, right? If the pattern present in the given string, a specific string, that operator return the true statement. If not, then it will return the false statement, right? So so in MySQL there are two type of wildcard character. One is percentage and another is underscore wildcard character, right? These character, we take percentage character first. So the percentage character checks the string, the particular string or pattern present in the given string or not, right? It will check of one character string or more than one character string, right? It can check, but in the underscore character, wildcard character, it will check, or you can say it will match only one character in the given string, right? So let's take one of the example, uh, like if we want to find the employees whose first name start with the letter A, so what will be the query, right? What will be the SQL query? So SQL statement can be select employee number, last name, first name. See, in the select clause we can write all the columns name that we want to display, right? And obviously from employees name table, where and in this clause we have to filter the rows, or you can say filter the data. So in the in where clause, first name, like, here we can use the like operator, like single quotation a percentage sign, right? So uh, let's practice in the terminal, right? So first of all, we have to connect the MySQL server by typing MySQL -u root -p, enter. And after typing the password, we will connect the MySQL server, right? As you can see, this is the community server version 8.0.27, right? So to check what are the databases in this server, so we have to type so databases. So this will display all the databases present into this server, right? So we are going to use the classic model sample database for practice, okay? So to use classic model database, we need to put the statement use classic models, right? So after typing use classic models, you can see here database changed. That means you are now using the database classic models, right? And in this database you can see all the tables or all the datas, right? So as you can see, I'm typing in the terminal. You can do the same task in the workbench also, right? If you have the Microsoft Windows operating system, right? As I have the Linux operating system, that is why I'm using this terminal. Okay, so anyway, we used classic models, right? So we want to check uh, what are the tables, right? So what are the tables in this database? To check this, we have to type so tables, right? So after typing, it will be displayed the list of all tables present in the classic model database, right? So our task is to practice this like operator, right? And in which we actually want to find the employee's name that start with the letter A. So we are writing the query select, and in this clause we can write the column name that we want to display. So uh, first of all, select first name, last name, right? And the third column we want to display is the employee number, right? And from which table? From employees table, right? employees table employees table, right? I'm sure the spelling is correct, right? And as well as we want to filter these columns, right? With the help of where first name start with a letter, right? So for this we have to write where first name, like here we have to use the like operator, like, and quotation, single quotation, a percentage, and colon y colon, right? After pressing enter, you will see all the rows will be displayed that start with a uh, a letter, right? So all the rows will be displayed in which first name column start with a letter, right? As you can see, right? So Anthony, Andy, right? So, and if we want to check all the columns from employees table employees table, so we can check these are the columns: employee number, last name, first name, extension, email, office code, reports to, right? Job title, right? So our task was to find the employees whose first name start with the letter A, right? So that is why here we have to filter this column with the like operator, in which uh, the first name start with A, in which you can see this is the name that start with A, and this also the name that start with A, right? Okay, so we can apply this operator, like uh, if we want to find all the names, right, all the names that ends with the letter E, right. So what we have to write, select, suppose we want to display the employee number, last name, first name column from the employees table, and our task is to find the rows in which the first name ends with the letter E, suppose. So the query will be select employee number, first name, last name, right, and from which table, from employees name table, employees, where, because we have to filter the data, where first name ends with the E letter. So that means we have to put like operator before we write the percentage E, because we have to find all the names that ends with E. So first name like percentage E, and that will be in between single quotation, right. And after entering, you will see all the rows will be displayed that first name ends with E, like here, right. So all the first name in this result ends with E letter, right. So okay, this operator can also be used to find all the first name with letter E, right, in whichever position in the first name column, right. So for this we have to write percentage E percentage, right, and after typing this, when we enter, it will be displayed. So like you can see in the first name column there is E, and in the second row the first name column there is E, right. So percentage E percentage means E wherever present in the given first name, that will be displayed, right. So like in GERART, right. Similarly JULIE, right. STEVE, right. So you can check how we can apply the like operator to find to match the string of one letter or more than one letter, right. Okay, we come to the next. We also can use not like operator, right. So how we can use the not like operator, we will see. Okay, like in this query, select employees number, select employee number comma last name comma first name from employee table, where last name not like B percentage. That means in this query it is asking for searching for the employees whose last name don't start with the letter B, right. So let's practice this query on the terminal. So see, select employee number comma first name comma last name, right? From which table? From employee table, right? From employees table. And where where the last name does not start with letter B. That means we have to write here last name not like. Here we have to use the not like operator. Not like, single quotation, B, percentage, right? Right. So here we can write the small letter as well as can write the capital letter, because there is no case sensitive, right? So after pressing the enter, we will see कि all the last name will be displayed that uh, does not start with the letter B, right? So like this way we also can use the not like operator, right? So next we also can use the escape character, right? So but why we are using the escape character? Suppose you want to find product whose product code contain the string underscore 20, right? You can use the pattern percentage backslash underscore 20 percentage with the default escape character. So before discussing this character, right, we uh, we should use the we should practice the underscore wildcard character, right? So uh, in the starting we have discussed key underscore wildcard character use uh, when we match only one character in the string, right? Like suppose select employee employee number comma first name comma last name, right? From employee table, and where first name like we are using here underscore wild card character. So this character actually matches only one character in the string, right? So like if we type J underscore FF, so what it will be display? That display only those string whose length is of 4 character, right? And the second character must be, and the first character must be J, third character must be F, fourth character must be F, right? Only those string will be displayed, right? Like uh, Jeff, right? So let's see, after pressing enter we will see only Jeff will be displayed, okay? So if we write this query like this, so this will again search the string of length 3 character, right, in which first character must be j, second character uh, this will be any character, and third character must be f. So let's see what it will be. So empty set, right, that means there is no such string in the first name column, right. So like this way we can use this underscore wild card character, right. I'm sure it is clear to everyone. So next point, if we want to find the product whose product code contain the string underscore 20, so you can use the pattern this, right. So what is this pattern? Let's check. So this is the query. So here we are going to take the products name table, right. So let's select product code and product name, product code and product name. These two column we want to display from where? From product name table, product name table, right, where we have to filter now, where product code, because our query was to find products whose product codes contain the string underscore 20, right. So where product code like like, and here we are going to use the escape character, right. Why we are using, we will discuss, okay. So percentage, and in between these two percentage we have to write 20, underscore 20, right. And before this we have to type the forward slash, backward slash, right. So after pressing enter, let's see what it will be displayed. So here you can see in the product code column uh, underscore 20 string, you can see here, you can see, right, right. if we if we use this query without using this escape character, so what will be the displayed result? That will be the displayed result, right. So in this it is searching actually underscore 20 string into this row product code column. Wherever this string will be present, that rows will be displayed, okay. So that is why we are using the escape character. And backslash backslash character is the default escape character, but we also can use other uh, escape character like dollar. So if we use dollar in place of backslash, so the result will be displayed statement the empty set, because we did not specify this escape character, right? So we have to specify this if we are using this escape character other than backslash, right? So how we can specify this? So by writing escape single quotation dollar, and after entering we will get the same result as we get when we used this percentage and between these two percentage underscore 20 and before this backslash, the result will be the same, right? So like this way you can use other uh, escape character also, right? But you have to specify, right? So that's all for today's session. Okay, so we will meet in the next session with more concept. Till then, uh, thank you and bye.